Did you know a Roman emperor was turned into a literal human stepping stool for decades? In 260 AD, Emperor Valerian made the worst mistake in Roman history. He agreed to peace talks with Persian king Shapur, but it was a trap. The moment Valerian arrived, Persian soldiers seized him. For the first time ever, a Roman emperor was captured alive. What happened next was unthinkable. Every time Shapur wanted to mount his horse, he forced the Emperor of Rome to kneel on all fours. Then he stepped on Valerian's back like a piece of furniture. This went on for years, the most powerful man in the world, reduced to a human step stool. When Valerian finally died, Shapur wasn't done humiliating Rome. He had the emperor's body skinned, stuffed with straw, and hung in a temple like a hunting trophy. Rome was so ashamed they tried erasing this from all records. But Persian rock carvings still celebrate the day their king broke Rome's pride forever. One peace meeting destroyed an empire's dignity.